Hey guys, it's Tatiana with GuruNanda. Now today we're talking all about our brand new beauty serums. Now they come in a 6-pack, and one of my favorites from the 6-pack is this moisturizing serum. And I love it because these are ready to go, ready to use. Doesn't have to be diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil, because guess what? We did the hard work for you. So the moisturizing serum is filled with jojoba oil, almond oil, sandalwood oil, Roman chamomile, and lavender. And trust me, it smells amazing. Now another great thing about this product is that yes, you can use it on your face, but you can also use it all over your body as well. It's a natural way to hydrate your skin and make it look as glowy and hydrated as possible without any chemicals or anything like that. Because these oils are 100% pure and natural, it doesn't take much. A little goes a long way. Now, one of the methods that I use when I'm using it on my face and as well on my body is I just take a couple drops. Maybe you could do like 3 or 4, depending on where you want to apply the oil. I rub it in my hands, and then you just massage it all over your body. And you can see right there how it's already hydrating, it's glowing, all the moisture is going in. Now, when I'm applying the moisturizing serum to my face, let's get a little bit more. And I love the dropper. It's easy to use. It comes out not too much, so get as much as you need. Oh my goodness, and this just smells amazing. So for times when I'm using this as a moisturizer for my face, I love to use my face roller to really help the oils go into my skin. But for today's purposes, I'm gonna show you on my arms. This just feels so good. So with this roller, it really helps the moisturizing serum penetrate into your skin more effectively and quickly, and also just feels really good. It's so smooth, it's easy to apply, and your skin just glows effortlessly. So unlike other body oils, again, this is 100% natural and pure essential oils. It's already pre-diluted with the jojoba oil as the carrier oil, and it's ready to use. And it comes in this great size bottle. It's easy, you can carry it in your purse every day. It's perfect for the girl on the go, like me, or if you're traveling, it fits perfect into your carry-on bag. Now, if you're the type of girl that doesn't really wanna just use oils, or you want to give your lotion a boost, all you have to do is just get your lotion, get the moisturizing serum, add 2 drops to your lotion, mix it together, and then apply. And instantly your body lotion is enhanced with jojoba oil, almond oil, Roman chamomile, sandalwood, and lavender, and it really gives you that deep hydration. So this is a really great way to stay hydrated in the cooler months. So there you have it. Our moisturizing serum is ready to go, ready to use, perfect to use on your face and also as a body oil as well. Pick it up as part of our beauty serum 6-pack, and thank you for watching GuruNanda's Clean Beauty series. Talk to you soon.